Good day, great minds. Let's open our first Kotlin project on Andriod Studio. First, you launch your Andriod Studio. That is, if you have installed Andriod Studio and also installed Java SDK. So this is how it should appear for you when you finally open your program. But let's open a new project so that I'll follow you through the process. First, if you open a new project, this is where it will show you to choose your activity. Then you can choose which device you want to code for, either phone, tablet, Wear OS, television, or automobile. Then you select empty activity, that is if you want to use Kotlin for compose. But if you want to use Kotlin for XML or other, you can pick some option here. But the recommended option is this empty view activity. So this is what you can use for your XML, but I'm going to use compose, so this is what I'm going to select instead of this. This is for XML or other coding with Kotlin, but I'm going to select this empty activity with this logo here, compose logo. Then click on next. Type your app name. So you just clean this my application and then type the name of the app you want to code. So this app will be space art, just for video purpose. It will automatically generate you a domain here, but it's just redundant. And then where your file will be saved, and then choose the API 24 Nougat Android 7, which will work on 97% of all devices. However, you can choose other devices, but this is the recommended API for you to choose, and it shows that it will work on 97.4% of all devices of all Android phones. So you just leave that recommended alone and then click on finish. It will start generating sources for you. So as you can see here, this is how your code will look like. Some part of the code has been written. You just clean them up and then adjust them. But mind you, this project has not completely loaded. Just give it time. You can see under here, a blue line is loading. So when it is done, you'll be able to click here and then also preview how your app will look like. With this code, it will going to show the preview of the app that comes with this code. However, if you are coding, it will be updating with time. Make sure that you are always connected on internet when you are using Andriod Studio, because it downloads dependencies anytime, any moment, and also preview your app as you are coding. So it's still loading the preview. You just have to be patient with Andriod Studio if you are starting for the first time. And then your preview is ready. As you can see, Hello Android. This is the whole code for this Hello Android. So you can edit it and then build your own composable code from this given code from Andriod Studio. All new project you will start with Andriod Studio using compose, it will bring up this. So it depends on what you want to build, and then format the code and give it your own test. However, if you don't want this preview, you can remove this section and then this preview here, it will be gone. You see, it's no longer there. No preview found. But if you paste it back, the preview will show up. In my subsequent video, I'm going to show you how to connect your device, your physical Android device, and test your app even without using the preview pane. Or I will show you how to use Android emulator so that you will see your device live on Andriod Studio app. It's loading the code that I just deleted recently. That's finished loading. As you can see, the preview is back. So this is how to code on Andriod Studio and see what you are coding live without using your device or emulator. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.